What if I told you that right now you're wearing the most advanced protective suit ever made? And you were born with it. It covers every centimeter of your body, repairs itself, and never comes off. Meet the Integumentary system, your body's extraordinary shield, built from skin, hair, and nails working together 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. These three structures aren't just for looks. They form a living, breathing defense system, your body's first line of protection against the outside world. Let's start from the outside and work our way in. The skin is your body's largest organ. Laid flat, an adult skin covers about 2 square meters, roughly the size of a twin bed, and weighs around 3.5 kilograms. That's heavier than most newborn babies. Skin is built in layers, and each layer has a very important job. The outermost layer is the epidermis. This is the part you can actually touch. It's packed with a tough protein called keratin, the same stuff that makes your fingernails hard. The epidermis also contains melanin, the pigment that gives your skin its color and helps protect you from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Here's a wild fact. The very top of your epidermis is actually made of dead cells. But don't worry, fresh new cells are constantly pushing up from below. Beneath the epidermis is the dermis, the true powerhouse of the skin. This thick, flexible layer is filled with blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients, nerve endings that sense touch, pain, heat, and cold, sweat glands that cool you down, oil glands that keep skin soft and moist, and hair follicles, the roots where every hair on your body grows. Go even deeper and you'll find the hypodermis, sometimes called the subcutaneous layer. This is mostly fat, but that's a good thing. This layer acts like a cushion, absorbing bumps and shocks, and insulates your body, helping you stay warm when it's cold outside. So what does skin actually do? It shields you from bacteria and viruses trying to get inside. It manages your body temperature through sweating and blood flow. It detects the world around you through touch, pressure, temperature, and pain. It even makes vitamin D when sunlight hits it. Your skin is doing all of this right now, without you even thinking about it. And every single day, you shed about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells. Don't worry, new ones are always growing underneath. Now let's talk about hair. Every hair on your body starts deep inside a tiny tube in the skin called a hair follicle. The part buried in the follicle is the root, and the part you can see is the shaft, the hair itself. Hair grows all over your body except on your palms, the soles of your feet, and a few other spots. You have two main types: fine vellus hair, the soft, light hair covering most of your body, and thicker terminal hair found on your scalp, eyebrows, eyelashes, and other areas. Hair isn't just decorative. Your eyelashes act like tiny brooms, sweeping dust and debris away from your eyes. Nose hair filters particles from the air you breathe. Scalp hair insulates your head, which loses more heat than any other part of your body. And every hair is connected to a tiny muscle that can make it stand on end, giving you goosebumps when you're cold or startled. Hair grows in a cycle: a growing phase, a transition phase, and a resting phase, before it falls out and a new one begins. The average person loses 50 to 100 hairs every day, and new ones are always ready to take their place. On to nails. Your nails are made of, you guessed it, keratin, the exact same protein found in hair and the outer skin. The part you can see is the nail plate, that hard, flat surface. Underneath it lies the nail bed, which gives nails their pinkish color from the blood vessels below. At the base of each nail is the nail matrix, the growth factory. This is where new nail cells are constantly produced, pushing older cells forward to become the nail plate. You can actually see a crescent-shaped pale area near the base called the lunula. That's the visible tip of the matrix. And the thin strip of skin sealing the edge? That's the cuticle, protecting the matrix from bacteria. Why do we even have nails? They protect the sensitive tips of your fingers and toes from injury. They help you grip small objects and perform fine, precise movements, like peeling a sticker or picking up a coin. Your nails are surprisingly powerful little tools. Now zoom out. Skin, hair, and nails don't work in isolation. They operate as one unified system, the integumentary system. The skin provides the foundation. Hair adds insulation and sensory support. Nails extend your body's ability to interact with the world. Together, they form a remarkable, self-repairing biological suit of armor. Here are some fun facts to blow your mind. Your skin completely renews itself approximately every 27 days. Over the course of a year, you shed nearly 700 grams of dead skin cells. That's almost 1.5 pounds. And right now, there are millions of microscopic organisms living on your skin. Most of them are completely harmless and actually help keep the bad ones away. The integumentary system is working every second of every day, protecting you, sensing the world, regulating your temperature, and rebuilding itself. It's one of the most